Level 1 build. Hang on here. I guess I'll add the roof real quick. Alright, there we go.
No, it's not. Hold up, you're gonna build a snack.
Hang on. Alright, we're good. But, alright, this is a level 1 build. Now we're gonna destroy it.
This is where the princesses live.
Alright, destroy it.
Level 1.
And that's it for level 1. Level 2 is gonna be like Subway Surfers, I guess. Let's do that. Alright, and the door. Let's make one subway car. Alright. This is the build so far.
Hold up, it may take a little while because I have some details I want to add to it.
Alright. Alright, we have the sliding door that's usually on a train. What the? Okay, that strawberry just went bye-bye. Alright, we'll let you know or we're gonna destroy it. Bye-bye. Time to destroy. Level 3. Now we are building a modern house and going to destroy it. We'll let you guys know whenever it's ready. That was not time for level 4. We're just getting started. Now that's a lot of damage. We're building a village for level 5. See you there. Level 5 crush. Emotional damage. Okay. Alright, hang on, do it over here,
Everybody hit the sea lion!
Alright,